Hello and welcome to the video. I was doing some pinning on my model today and I thought, hey, why not let's throw a quick little how-to or tips or trick video together on pinning. I'm by no means the first person that's ever done it, but I thought, hey, maybe there's somebody out there that's never heard of it, or maybe has heard of it and never seen it, or just need a reminder to implement it more on your model. But the short of pinning, or what is pinning, is essentially adding a pin to a part to create a nice locator pin and or creating a nice reinforcement for a joint. It's super great for these small parts that are kind of designed to be flush mounted to a car or something. You can create a nice locator mark so you can hit your mark without having glue on it, smearing around, kind of botching up your paint job. That is probably the primary use that I use it for. But again, it can be used for repairing a joint. I don't have anything broken, but for instance, say you're working on a frame, you break a wheel off, and now it's just not as strong as it's got to support that weight. You could drill in your axle, add a pin, and then drill a hole in your part, pin it on. You need to have a nice strong repair and a nice stable joint. But today we're just going to be kind of talking about pinning on parts. Again, the best thing about it is creating that location point. For instance, this mirror, we got that pin on it, already got a hole drill right up there in the door, but real quick you can hit that mark and your mirror's on and can be glued. It just takes a little drop on that wire and you're good to go. Super easy. And another thing is kind of back here, the top left one was my first mark. Put the part on, noticed it was off just a little bit, so I had a chance to re-drill it and get it on in the right place. Now we're good in center once we get it glued on, and no more messed up spots. You get to take a look at your parts before it's permanent. But with that, we'll kind of talk about the wires. Most common wires that I use are this 25 thousandths, 20 thousandths, which is what I'm using today, and this is 15 thousandths. I think that's the thinnest that I have, as well as using these small either pin vise drills or hand finger drills. They come in a variety pack. You can usually pick them up at most any hobby shops. You can get them online, say Amazon, or I think I even got these through AliExpress. You can get the variety packs, or I got these one size packs. These will fit my wires. That's for my 15 thousandths, 20 thousandths, and my 25 thousandths wire. These are super fine, so they will break. Be prepared for that. Another handy tool to have when doing this kind of work is one of these. This is a dead center bit, dead center drill starter from Scale Pro Shop. Just a microfine tip that you can get exactly where you want it, make your pilot, and go from there. But I think that covers most of it. We'll just kind of do one here quick for you. Get your drill. Might have to do this off camera to get it started. Get it going. And I just kind of slowly go back and forth, kind of lifting on the rewind and then going through. Get yourself a nice little hole in there. What I usually do, tricky on camera for sure, get my part on the wire, and then I'll grab my side cutters, get how much I need, give it a little pinch. We got a nice size pin there. Get my super glue. I usually do the tape, put a little drop on there. I'll grab my tweezers. We'll pull that pin out, dab it in my glue, and then stick it back in to the part. And that guy is good to go. It'll depend on how precise you need your parts, but on this guy, if we can get it to show up here on the fender, it kind of has a spot for that gas tank to go. So I will find my center, get it started, and then just start drilling on it. Just take just a couple seconds to get her. And now we have our gas tank mounted. Gas cap, not going anywhere. We'll hit our mark and it'll be good to go. So I think that kind of covers it. Real quick video, show you how handy it is, how good it works, and you can use it too. Thanks for watching.